What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. Really excited to show you about this app, Pogo, an app where you can get paid just to buy stuff. You're going to get points for everything that you buy. When your card is hooked up to this app, everything you purchase, you'll get points for. I'm going to show you how simple it is. So all I'm doing here is click and claim on things that I paid for with my debit card, and it gives me points for each one of them. The higher the amount of what you paid for, the more points you'll get. But the thing is, you're going to get at the minimum 2 points for everything that you buy. All you got to do is come on here and click claim. It is just that simple. When you claim everything, you'll see all your points go up there. It's 2,850. You can also take pictures of receipts, which I'm about to do here. You get 10 points for every receipt that you take a picture of. Just simply snap it just like that. Then you click the check mark, upload it right there, 10 points. So now I go back and you see my points will grow. Now I got 2,860. That is equivalent to $2.86. You'll just come over here to accounts, hook up your debit card. That way it knows, where to get the points from. And like I said, every time you buy something on your debit card, you'll get points for it. All right. Now, when it comes to the cashing out process, you need a minimum of 3,000 points, which is $3,000. You can do PayPal or Venmo. You just come in here and put your PayPal info. You can confirm it just like that, and you'll cash out. Like I said, you need $3, but the cash outs here are instant. All right. So you don't have to wait. You'll get your money instantly into your PayPal account or your Venmo account. So the thing about it is, this app, like I said, all you're doing is hooking up your debit card and just go about your daily life, making purchases, paying bills, whatever it is that you use your debit card for, you're going to get points for. So you might as well use this app so you can get points for the things that you're already doing. The link to sign up with this app is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.